kitinda mimba, Dr. Ngonga Molo Oburu Odinga. Karibu, karibu.
Come on. Oh. Okay, the mechanic. Oh, Jobondo, Togi, comrades, maneno nyima kage. Hamjambo. Hamjambo tena. Watu wetu wa Bondo, hamjambo. Hero kamano. Leo nina furaha tele. I'm so happy and so excited. I'm excited because I have achieved my life endeavor to be confirmed. But that is now over. We are now in another function, and this is now to say thank you to my people of Bondo for electing me to be the senator for Siaya County for another 5 years. Now, this is a very, very great gesture by my people and the people of Siaya. You are the ones who nicknamed me youth leader, and you are also the ones who nicknamed me the only Nyathikich. Some people think that I am Nyathikich of Senate or the youth leader of the Senate. I am the youth leader of the Siaya people because they are the ones who gave me that name. They are the ones who gave me that name during campaign. I don't know how where and from where it emanated, but it is now stuck on my back. It is now my name. It is part of my names. I also want to thank the leaders who have come to witness this occasion. It is a very, very great gesture. This is a very rare feat to have this array of leaders coming just to witness a birthday of a colleague. Indeed, this is a very, very great honor, and I must say thank you, my brothers and sisters who have come for this occasion. My special thanks go particularly to my brother, Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka. Raila has told you about our journey with him. But first, he started with our family very early when he was still a schoolboy, when he was at the university. He was with my sister Achieng here, in the same class, in the same university. And you can imagine, Achieng is my fourth follower. So if Achieng is my fourth follower, therefore it means Kalonzo is also my fourth follower. Because they were in the same class. But now, as Luos say, Mbas, Jijuk Rembas. So we are now the same age. We are now the same age mates. And we have traveled a long, long way. Raila narrated to you some of the things. All those things Raila narrated, from KANU to LDP to ODM to up to the time he went to Wiper and we went to Nini. We remained with ODM. We have been together. And we have been together in very, very difficult, during difficult times, also during good times. And I must tell you that Kalonzo is a great man. He is a great man at heart. He is a great man in leadership. And he can take hard decisions. I know he can take very, very hard decisions. There's a time when we sat and we were thinking of what to do. Raila and him, we were to decide who is to be the candidate for our party. And I was given the task of bringing them together to try to mediate. And me and Musila, we sat together and we told them, you people, you love each other so much. You and Kalonzo. Raila, you and Kalonzo, you love each other so much. And you praise each other. And you say nice things about each other. But when it comes to deciding, then there you leave it to us. Now, why? Why don't you people just simply, the same way you are nice to each other, also make that decision as to who? But Kalonzo made a decision to support Raila. He made that decision to support Raila. And I thank him for that, because it was not an easy decision to make. It was not an easy, I can tell you it was not an easy decision to make. So we have traveled that far, and therefore when I was looking across the whole world, looking at who can be guest of honor in my 80th birthday, I never celebrate my birthdays. I never. I even forget sometimes my birthday. But I thought that this one of the 80th, the anniversary of my life, I should celebrate. And then I looked across whom I can bring to be my guest of honor, and I landed on Honorable Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, because I thought he was the best to be. And therefore I'm happy that he has come, and I thank him immensely for having honored my invitation. Finally, I would like to say just one piece about this government of William Ruto. This William Ruto has refused to make the government or his regime to function. He is the single minister of roads, he is the minister of water, he is the minister of health, he is the minister of sports, he is the minister of everything. Ruto, please, let your ministers also work. Me, I don't even know them, because I don't know what they do. And then, I also want to tell Ruto something else. Ruto, I also want to ask you to say the truth for once. Because whenever you move around, you promise so many things. So you even promise, Ruto, you even promise things which are devolved, like health. You come and say you are going to do health. Things which belong to the governors, Ruto says he is going to do. And then to make it worse, he never fulfills any of those promises he makes. Ruto, for once, when you came here, Ruto, you promised us that the contractors on all our projects in Siaya were going to be back to those projects within 3 weeks. Now it is almost 1 year. The road to Leunda from Bondo is still looking at us, staring at us. There is no contractor. The bridge in Usenge is still staring at us. There is no contractor. The road going through Jim's place in Ugenya is still looking at us. The contractor ran away because you have refused to pay them. All the monies which you should use to pay them, you are using to fly all over the world. Tomorrow you are in France, the next day you are in America, the next day you are in Congo, the other day you are where? All your ministers moving all over the world. So there is no money to implement projects. All the monies are being used for recurrent expenditure. So, okadwa medo, kawuno ka en chieng siasa, kawuno jodalawa no die chieng mar budho, koro mi atieko kamano. Now allow me to finish and leave this microphone to my brother, to Baba, to continue. Thank you very much.
Hello.